Alright, let's play some dominoes. The game where you're playing with someone against two others and you're always trying to figure out what everyone has. Okay, the first one is always the double six, and fortunately I had it and I had more of them. Alright, I don't know what this one is thinking, but I'm gonna give the two. Alright, so I can assume that he has the 6 blank. There was no way he would do it with a otherwise. Okay, so I have to hit. Do I want to hit with a blank? Probably. Ouch. Alright, I'm gonna give the blank again. Spit that 4. Okay, my guy is doing an excellent job repeating my numbers. So let's give the 5 pass. Perfect, my guy. All right, now do I wanna lock the game? Yes or no? He has 6 blank, which is a lot less than mine, so I'm gonna put it to 3. Yeah, we would have lost. We had let's see, 17. They had they have 13. Okay. Let's see. Do I want to give the blank or the 5? Well, I'm thinking of the 5, letting my guy know that I need that one again. All right. Now, can I? This time around, I couldn't lay on the 5, but I think I would rather give my guys 6. Okay. I have to assume that my guy doesn't have any 4s. So let's see if I can get them to put to 4. No. That was a bad play because I should have known. Well, I knew had I stopped to think that it was the 4-1. All right, I only have 1, given the 4. Yeah, that was a very bad play on my part. I should have stopped, calculate the and to see that it was the 4-1 out there. All right, let's lay here. And unfortunately, I can't repeat my guys' 1, but I can put a 6. So now my guy can put the 1 either way. Okay, let's just play, and of course I'm gonna remove the blank that my guy doesn't like. And now I lay on the 5. Good. Let's see. 3. Okay, this guy didn't like the locking the game. All right. Now there I played better. I pass. Okay, I'm gonna put it to 3, my guy's number. Unfortunately, I have to hit it. And I don't have any. I pass. All right. I think I'm screwed anyway, because if I put it to blank, I'm gonna be getting the giving myself the last one. So I think I would rather lay on the 2 and give my guy the option of trying to pass the left. Okay. Now I only have 1. Let's play it. Okay. And now I have the last 2 and the last blank. Let's go. Much better. Yep, they all had dead doubles. All right, now we're even. We're playing to 100. But it is my turn, and I'm gonna start with the double 3. I have four of them. Okay, no, gonna continue putting it to 3. Okay, it's between this guy and me. Alright, so my guy gave a 1, so let me repeat it for my guy. At 2, thank you very much. I wanted to get rid of that one. Now let's see, which 3 is out there? 3, 4. I could put it to 3 and then immediately spit it, but I don't think I like that. Let's see. Blank. Blank 6. I like that better. Okay. Perfect. And now we win. There we go. Excellent. That was a good game. Started rough, but pulled it in the end. All right. Let's see. No, very well. I'll see you on the next.